this is a process you have to understand. And I think the other thing is it's to make storytelling with data. So you get a lot. You have this data, and then you have to really to say, hey, look here, in I don't know, we have all these red colors. So here we make lower sales, and I have analyzed it, and here you see it's they are living, I don't know, only old people, so we don't sell our
There.
like I don't know, our parenting services stuff, and this is the story behind data. This is also important to bring a benefit to the company, and this is the two things you have to start before you think about what technology I use and so on.